Hello fellow traders, welcome back to Trading Truth. Today we're gonna see about secret behind successful trading and it's time for some truth. Secrets behind successful traders. Okay, whether you're starting as a fresher in trading or you have got into trading and did all the wrong things and lost a lot of money and you're starting it all over again, one piece of advice is that start it right. Do it the right way or don't do it. Successful people are not successful because they work hard, they just do the way it works. Okay, remember that. Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. You're not gonna get rich just because you have put a bunch of money in trading and you're gonna succeed out of it because you have did a course or read a book in trading for just 2 days or 3 days or 4 months or 5 months. No, it is not like a sprint, it is a marathon. You have to be patient and you have to have consistency makes legends. Do the right thing, not the easy thing, because among 100% of the traders who get into trading, over 90% of the traders are losing their money. Okay, only about 10% of the people are winning. Okay, because the 90% of the people, they are not putting the effort to get into that place. Only 10% of the people are putting the effort and only 10% of the people are doing the right thing, doing the things the way it works. Then remaining like 90% who get into trading because of seeing some mumbo jumbo ad are just losing. Okay, and they are so impatient that they put 3 to 4 months of work and they expect to become a millionaire. If it is that much easy, everybody would become rich. And patience is the key in trading. Okay, it is not about how many trades that you make, the quality of the trades that you make. You have to be patient. It is a marathon. You just can't expect to get a millionaire just by reading 2 books or just taking a simple course. Be among the 10%. Okay, be among the 10%. Don't be among that 90% who just searching the holy indicator which doesn't really exist and trying to do all the crazy stuff. And don't be in the crowd. 90% of the people, they are just the crowd. Okay, the 10% is the people who make money in the market, who are working the butt off. Okay, so just be in the 10%. Don't be among that 90%. Okay, they just suck. Okay, if you want to become a profitable trader, if you want to become a professional trader who makes consistent income over and over again, just think like one. Okay, you have to think like a professional. There goes a saying called you become what you think. Okay, you just want to think yourself as a professional. If you are a professional trader, what will you do? Okay, first of all, you have to know what are the 3 pillars of trading, because without these 3 pillars, it doesn't matter how tall is your building, you're gonna fall one day. When it comes to trading, you might fall as soon as possible. You will fall as soon as possible. The first thing is trading psychology. This is the first thing you have to focus. Okay, because people say that I'm not greedy, I'm not I don't have any fear, I'm not greedy, I'm super patient and so calm. But you know what, over 90% of the traders who I told that they are losing the money, they just suck at it. Okay, they don't have patience, they don't have what to say, they don't have what it takes. You have to have patient, calm minded, you have to consistently work. Don't be the person who go to gym at the beginning of the year, just 1 month or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and saying that, oh my god, it's very tiring, it's very hard, and I worked out so hard for 6 months. See, there is no six pack in my body, I'm just quitting. Those are the 90% crowd. Okay, they all took the resolutions, they all started the right way, but though it doesn't work out for them. You have to have consistency, patience, and lot more psychological things. Number 2 is the money management. See, if I give you the best strategy in the world, okay, if I give you the strategy that Warren Buffett used, okay, still you will lose. You know something? If you put a head or tail and just took your order, if heads buy, tails sell, on a long run, if your money management is perfect, you will make money. Trust me, you will make money. It's just the money management is such important. And last comes the trading strategy. Okay, trading strategy. It is the thing that is least important. Trust me, it is the thing that is least important. I'm not saying that it is not important. It is important, but it is the least important. Even if you don't have a good trading strategy, okay, if you don't have a good trading strategy, but still your trading psychology and money management is perfect, 100%, okay, if you have 100%, if you score 100% in these two, and if you score just 0 in trading psychology, still you will make a profit in a long run, okay. But if you lack either trading psychology nor money management, and you have the best strategy in the world, okay, you will still lose money in a long run. So focus on what is matter, what it matters. So focus on what it matters, not what everybody are talking about. Nobody, no professional traders or nobody will be focusing more on the trading strategy, because they know if you fail to do these two things right, anyway you're gonna fail. So there is no matter in putting so much of work in trading strategies. Just focus on trading psychology first, then on money management, then go to the trading strategy. But the pathetic thing is that good shit doesn't sell. If you plot a chart and see the most thing which contributes for a success is trading psychology. It contributes about 60%, okay, it contributes about 60%. The next thing is that money management, it contributes about 30% of the success, okay, 30%. And the trading strategy is just 10%, okay. But still you have to have a good trading strategy and a good trading plan to make good profit. Always treat trading as a business, not as something that you go today and make a bunch of money tomorrow. Don't treat it like it. It is like any other business that you're doing. It is just a business, okay. Trading is just a business. So trading psychology contributes 60%, money management 30%, and trading strategy 10%. Still trading strategy is important, so don't neglect it, okay. You have to have a strategy to win. And finally, we spoke about trading psychology, money management, and the technical analysis thing. Okay, what is your favorite and what do you want me to make future videos on? You just comment that below, okay, so that I can make more contents regarding that. Successful people are successful not because they work hard or they are much smarter than you. No crap, okay. They are successful just because they do the things the way it works, okay. So just do it the way it works. If you don't know how it works, I'll help you with that. You have listened to the whole video, and now if you are still not afraid to know the truth and do things the way it works, if you are patient enough to consistently put work and succeed one day, if you don't want to be among the 90% who lose their money, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, and I ensure you that you become a good profitable trader only if you are willing to do what it takes, okay. Just do the way it works, and see you later. Bye.